Here's a new video from Matt. You can see your cockatiels have learned to flap, and so have the eckies. It's feeding time. They're learning how to use their wings, and they're making my incubator a mess. You can see the shavings all over it. That's every 4 hours. I have a mess in there. Oops. Come on, babies. Come on, one. Come on, one. Okay, let go, let go, let go, let go. Okay, it's kind of hard to... Okay, you ready? It's the oldest one. His feathers are really coming out. They're hungry right now, so he's not wanting to hold still. I don't know which one's going to be hawk. This one's a little different. These feathers are all tipped and white. They're both going to be slates. This one's definitely not going to be a white slate. It's already getting a little orange, so it's going to be a slate. And it's got a couple little... Okay, baby. Okay. A couple little yellow feathers right here. And of course, Loudmouth here. He's acting like he's starving. Okay, I'm going to feed him. I'll send you another video later, Matt. Say hi to Matt. Hi, Matt. Hi, Matt.